Hello, teachers. In this episode of My Big Campus, we're going to be working a little bit more on schoolwork and bundles. In this video specifically, we're going to work to create a bundle and share them with students and fellow teachers. Specifically, we're going to cover 1. Creating a new bundle from scratch, 2. Adding content to a bundle, 3. Adding collaborators to a bundle, and 4. Sharing a bundle with a group. So let's go ahead and get started by navigating to mybigcampus.com. I'm going to go ahead and start from the home screen. So to create a bundle from scratch, we're going to go ahead and select the bundles button on the left hand side. Then we're going to select create new bundle. So from here, it's going to require us to select a name. So we'll go ahead and select a name. We'll call it MBC Practice Bundle. And you can add the objective. This is just a test. Some you can add later, but none of these are required. And we're going to call this a lesson. And we're going to say this is for technology. The tags listed below are just a nice way for us to find them easier. So you may want to include your name and the subject you teach and maybe the grade level or things that it's specifically for. So maybe Salamanca, technology, MBC, practice, bundles. The tags you use are independent, or you can choose whichever ones you like. The more you put in, the easier it will be to find. Once you've done that, you're going to click Save Bundle on the bottom right hand side of your screen. Now you can add content. So we're going to click on the Content button on the left hand side. And on the right, upper right, you can select type of content. This is bundle exchange, iTunes books, iTunes apps, etc. Now, because we just added we added content from my computer into my stuff, I'm going to click on your stuff, and I'm going to add this Geo 5.3 practice PDF. And the way that we do that is we drag and drop, and now it's added. We can select the top where it says insert text here and add a title. This way it makes sense. Practice for chapter 5, section 3 for geometry. And click Done Editing Text. So now this gives you a better idea of what these things are there for. We can link these things to standards. So we're going to stay on this page. We're going to click Save Bundle. Now we're going to select standards on the left. And we can select regions. So this is the United States, and we're going to choose California. Select content standards. We're going to say that this is for math. Say it's for 4th grade, algebra and functions. And we can select specific standards. And this way it's linked to standards so that as we go through and we look through bundles from everyone else, we can search it by standard or by topic. From there, we're going to select cover art. And this is just a nice way for you to add a thumbnail so that people can see what you've done and what it represents. But again, it's not mandatory. We're going to select collaborators on the left. And for this, I'm going to go ahead and share it with Andy Jensen. So I'm going to type in his name. I'm going to click the add sign and press the save button on the bottom right. He is now a collaborator on this. He now has the ability to make adjustments to this bundle as well. Once we're done with that, we're going to go ahead and click View Bundle, and this is what everyone else should see. If you notice on the right, there is no cover art. That's if we want to represent our bundle with a picture. We could see the objectives, We could also see comments if people make that comment. Once you're here, if you wanted to make an adjustment or edit, on the top portion of the screen, you should see the button or see a link for Edit Bundle. Doing that will bring you back to this page so you can make any adjustments. Now, once you've made a bundle and you've added people to collaborate with, you're obviously going to want to share this with your students. So, from the home screen, I'm going to select a class or a group on the left-hand side. So, I-21 Introduction to My Big Campus is the one that I'm going to choose. So this is the class that was created. Then I'm going to select Resources on the center portion of your screen. Then I'm going to select Bundle. Again, center of your screen. And we are going to choose the one that we just created, which is the MBC Practice Bundle. So I'm going to select it. And you'll notice at the bottom now, just below that window, it says MBC Practice Bundle. It gives you the option to delete, or if you look a little bit further down, you can share attached items, which is what I'm going to select. Once you've done that, it now shows your My Big Campus Practice Bundle below. And this is great because as you start to use this more and more, you can create bundles very similar to e-learning or LMS in the way that they have modules or blocks. Your bundle will be the way that you share your information with students. So from year to year, you're not reinventing the wheel, you're just adding these bundles and adjusting them as need be. That's all for now. I'll see you guys next time.